In this question it is given that 10 gram of ice is added to 40 gram of water at 15 degrees Celsius. Then the temperature of mixture is, specific heat of water is given as 4.2 into 10 raised to 3, and latent heat of fusion of ice is given as 3.36 into 10 raised to 5. So over here we are mixing 10 gram of ice and 40 gram of water at 15 degrees Celsius. So we can just consider that it is a mixture of 10 gram of ice and it is at let's say 0 degrees Celsius, and 40 gram of water at 15 degrees Celsius. Then the temperature of mixture is, so we know that there will be a flow of heat energy from water to ice. So there is a possibility that ice may convert it into water. We don't know it is going to get converted or not. So they will write the next possible stage over here. So just assume that it is going to, this ice at 0 degrees Celsius is converted into ice at water at 0 degrees Celsius. So over here we will write the next stage, which is water at 0 degrees Celsius. Like that, on the right hand side it is losing heat energy, so there is a possibility that water at 15 may convert it into water at 0 degrees Celsius. We don't know this which process is going to happen. We'll assume that this situation. So we can just identify which process is going to happen. So if for the first process we can write the amount of heat energy required, we can write it as Q is equal to M into L. M is nothing but 10 gram and latent heat of ice is nothing but 80. So we can write we required 800 calorie of heat energy. And on the other side, right hand side, we can use this equation Q is equal to nothing but M as delta T, as there is change in temperature. So the amount of heat energy required is 40 into specific capacity of water is 1 and delta T is nothing but 15. So we can say that on the right hand side it is 15 into 4, which is 60, or 600 calorie of heat energy is required for conversion of this process, and for this process 800 calorie of heat energy is required. That means to convert ice into water we require 800 calorie of heat energy, and for reducing its temperature from 15 to 0 we require only 60 calorie of heat energy. That means this process is going to happen and this process is not going to happen. That means it will be a like the entire amount of ice is not going to convert into water. So it will be a mixture of ice and water at 0 degree Celsius. So the equilibrium temperature is going to be 0 degree Celsius, because the entire ice is not going to convert it into water. To converting entire ice into water we required 800 calorie of heat energy, but this water can provide, water at 15 degrees Celsius can provide at most 600 calorie of heat energy. After that its temperature becomes equal to 0 degrees Celsius. So water will provide 600 calorie of heat energy, then its temperature will reduce to 0 and some amount of ice will convert it into water. Now the ice and water at a temperature of 0 degree Celsius, and further flow of heat energy will not take place because there is no change in or a difference in temperature. So the equilibrium temperature is 0 degrees Celsius only.